just be real.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be honest.
Let's just be real.
Welcome. Bear's back again to show you another lock I've picked up. It's the Schlage Kryptonite. It's got a full-size Schlage core. Pretty hefty, and if you compare it to the American, it's just a tad bigger in the body for the full-size core. Everything else is pretty close. The shackle width, all that. So I'd gotten this lock and I picked it a couple times. And let me put it in a vise here. And I'd picked this a couple of times. I'll try to get a better angle on this. Move it up a little bit. So it seemed not to have any spools in it. So I thought, well, I wonder if we can rake it. And just to show you, that's the bitting on the key. 5-pinner. And pulled out a Sparrow's twin peak or double peak, whatever it's called. And let's give it a shot. And that's it. That's just disheartening if you got this on a fence or a shed that opens so easily. So let's see what's inside this bad boy. Let me adjust my camera a little bit down here. Get rid of that. Pull the tray down. I'm going to be needing it. Oh, and see what we come up with. Now, I have not been in this lock. So, whoa, okay. And there's that bad boy. Typical Schlage. I can't use that. Great, my dog just came in to visit. Come on, baby. Oop. We are almost there. There we go. That spring out of there. Oh, let's see. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Yep. Look like a bunch of standards in the bottom. what it's looking like. And let's check that top. I thought I might have felt a couple of serrated in there, but maybe not. Maybe all just standard. See what we got. Oh, good. Might help if you use the tweezer. Might help if you didn't have the shakes too. Get down here. You get over there. Okay, this ain't working. I know watching this video has got to be like watching a train wreck, so bear with me, please. It is such hard work being so careless, so clumsy. But that looks like it's all going to be standard pins. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's all standard, looks like. Wow, what a disappointment. Well, a little pinning will fix that right up. So, if you're looking for one of these locks, make sure that you repin this bad boy. Because other than that, it's going to be pretty easy to get into. Well, thanks for watching, and stay legal and have fun. Thanks, everybody.